It's me, Kinghuman. Listen up, hang on. Hot, 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 hot. Okay, here's what's doing. It's Black Friday. I need to make this video to open your mind. Your mind's gonna explode. Watch this video. Okay, guys, this is what's doing. I'm making another lunch with friends video. This is where I sit down, I turn on the camera, and I talk to the camera. You're the camera, right? You're the audience. As if you were my best buddy and we were sitting down to lunch, and I'm giving you my philosophy on life, money, health, all that kind of stuff, because I'm a genius. And I am a genius. Don't question it. Shut up. Just listen. Let me finish what I'm going to say before you go mental. Okay. Enough stupidity. Here's what's doing. It's Black Friday. And every Black Friday, I go on my Facebook and my timeline, and I see a bunch of videos of idiot sheeple fighting each other, beating each other up, trampling each other to get a deal on some widget or some stupid thing that they have been programmed to believe is the most important thing in their life. It makes me sick. It's disgusting. And I remember a video, the one that sticks out in my mind from a couple of years ago, was this group of people. And I mean, they were punching each other and kicking and biting and scratching and to get this thing, right? What was it? It was a giant package of toilet paper. And I'm thinking, what the f*** could the maximum benefit to those people be? Getting $8 off some shit white paper? Yeah, that's about the sum of it. And I'm thinking, holy shit, what a bunch of idiots. Of course, that's my knee-jerk reaction. That's my typical, non-thinking, emotional reaction to something like that. Now, once I get that emotional knee-jerk reaction out of the way, my logical brain kicks in and I do some analysis on what I'm seeing. And I say, holy shit, look at these people. Look at how focused they are. Look at how driven they are. Look at how motivated they are. And I think to myself, if they just took that bundle of energy and redirected it into something positive in their life, they would be unstoppable. They'd be multimillionaires. They wouldn't care about getting $8 off a giant thing of shit white paper. It wouldn't matter to them. But the thing is, and here's the sad part, they've been programmed by these plutocrats to believe that the best they can do in life is get a discount on some crap that they feel, that they've been programmed to believe is the most important thing in their life at this point in time. Here's the point I'm getting at. Like I said, if they would redirect that energy into self-empowerment, they would be unstoppable. They would be multimillionaires. They would be amazing people. But for their own programming limitations. Now, let me tell you, if you're one of these people that is rushing out on Black Friday to do your consumerism bullshit because you feel you need these things to make you happy or to make other people happy or whatever, or you need the best you can do in life is to go out and struggle to save a few bucks, then you need to change your mindset because you're all up in the head. You need to take that energy, that drive, that ambition, that amount of money, and redirect it into educating yourself to being independent, to self-empowerment. And what I'm going to suggest to you is go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and learn how to change your life. Now, when I say how to change your life, let me give you a little backstory about me. I used to be a truck driver. I used to drive a truck 7 days a week. I used to be one of these idiots that felt like the best I could do in life was to scramble and fight to get a few bucks off of something to save money. My mindset was programmed into saving money, not making money. When you make huge money, you're not going to care about $8 off a roll of toilet paper. Just does not happen. So I used to be a truck driver, and I discovered making money online. Changed my perspective, changed my life. I went from being a truck driver to making, my first year, to making $30,000 a month. That was my first year. And I just flashed on that because I just found on my computer a screenshot of one of my first year IRS forms. $30,000 a month. Changed my perspective. It took me from being a battery in the matrix, which is what most people are, and they don't even know it. That's the insidious thing about the matrix. You don't know you're in it until you get out of it. So it took me from being a battery in the matrix to being somebody that's outside of the matrix looking in. And then my mind was blown. I saw, I awoke, I saw what was going on, and boy, did it give me a shock. Did it give me a reality check? Something that most people will never experience in their lifetime, unless they put their drive, their ambition, their energy into it and go after it with the same fervor as these imbeciles do about getting $8 off a package of toilet paper. If you do that, take that energy and redirect it into self-empowerment, you'll be a multimillionaire. No stopping you. No stopping you. No force on earth can stop you. If you take that energy, redirect it into getting an education that will empower you, no stopping you. So that's my lecture. Again, I'll suggest going to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and becoming a member. Why? Because it's only like 15 bucks. Now, I priced that so low so that everybody could get in. I made that website not as a way for me to make money. I made that website as a tool to help people get out of the matrix. Because I wish somebody would have done that for me. I wish somebody would have, back when I was driving that truck and I didn't see any other way, I wish somebody would have reached out to me and said, hey, let me grab your hand and pull you out. You're in a matrix. You don't know it, but you've been programmed to believe that the best you can do in life is a JOB, which stands for just over broke. There's other ways. You can be self-empowered. You can make your own way in life. Nobody did that. I discovered it by accident. I came upon it. Now that I have, I feel it's my duty to try and help people that are less fortunate than me, that have no idea how good they could become. And trust me, you can become as wealthy as you want. This is the land of opportunity. When I grew up, we didn't even have computers. So to me, this is an amazing new world. And you have so many resources available to you. And when I see people putting their energy, their drive, their ambition, their energy into trivial, idiotic things, it makes me upset. Put those energies into something that's going to change your life, something that's going to empower you, something, okay, I'm repeating myself, but I do that when I tend to, feel passionate about something, and I feel so passionate about this. So again, Go check it out, thekinghumanelite.com. I'm also coming up with an advanced university that, okay, we'll talk about that when the time comes. For now, I just needed to rant again about this stupid Black Friday thing, how people are programmed, and how it just really sucks. It just really sucks. When you see this, when I see this, it's just really depressing to me. There's so much potential there. People have so much potential. And it's wasted. And it's wasted because of the plutocrats that have programmed people to be a battery in the matrix. Makes me so upset. I just want to get people out of it. And you know, whatever. Okay, I'm done. Donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. Share this video if you think it could help somebody. If not, shut up. I don't care. Go away.